Hey, welcome back, America, to your Caribou Data Science channel. Today is Wednesday, August the 25th, 2021. And before we begin here, just a big shout out to the 16 people who viewed this video yesterday. Thank you so much for those views. And also, thank you for your subscriptions. Also, if the 16 views should equal 16 likes, so please, if you view the video, click the like button. And of course, also, if you have done so already, click that subscribe button. And third and most important, don't forget to click on that share button to share this video on Facebook and Twitter. You can also, of course, copy and paste a link to this video into an email or text in a text message and share it with your friends that way also. So let's take a look at the highest number. So one of the curious things, at least in America, how COVID-19 is being recorded is that they're recording it from day one of the first case, from day one of the first death. And since the first case started back in January 2020, we have the numbers are cumulative all the way up until August 24th. And what's curious about that is that's not the way most diseases are tracked. Most diseases, whether it's cancer or heart disease, are tracked 1 year at a time. So every year on January 1st, the counter for, let's say, cancer and heart disease is reset to zero. Okay, because we really don't know how many cases we have this month. Okay, so let's take a look here. You can see, so since January 12, 2020, we've had 38 million cases, 630,000 deaths. Now, this is the current years. Now, it does look as if this new spike in cases is passing the spike back over here. We'll check in a moment. But here's one thing I want you to keep in mind about the COVID-19 vaccines. Okay, the COVID-19 vaccines will not keep you from getting COVID-19. They may reduce the chances that you'll die. Okay, but nothing is guaranteed. Okay. So what this means is, even if every man, woman, and child in America is vaccinated, COVID-19 cases can still go up. Okay, and so there's still going. Even if every man, woman, child in America was vaccinated, there would still be people dying from COVID-19. All right, and you combine that, hospital beds will also go up, even if every man, woman, child in America was vaccinated. Okay, let's just roll on here. Now here's the deaths for this year. Long declining death. Now back in July, sometime we start again. What is it with July? How can we four countries all show an increase in COVID-19 cases and deaths in July? Is that just that the warm weather brings the virus out? I don't know. It's just really kind of curious. But you do see an increase here in deaths beginning in July. So this is the total number of COVID-19 cases for 2020 versus 2021. Okay. This was for 11 months. This is for 8 months. So we've almost caught COVID. The cases have almost caught the 2020 cases with what? With 4 or 5 months to go. What about deaths? Well, this is about 3,000, 3,000,000, 350,000 deaths up to here. Okay. Down here, we're a little bit below maybe 275,000. So it remains to be seen whether deaths are going to catch 2020 deaths or not. Now here we just compare the 2020 numbers to the 2021. Okay, a steady increase in cases in 2020. 2021 saw a long declining pattern in cases, followed by a new trend upward beginning sometime in July. Deaths saw a trend upward in 2021 this year, in July 2021 this year. But again, the reversing trend, upward trend in 2020 for deaths, downward trend in 2021 for deaths, up until July. So we can look here a little bit over here. We can say that for the 7-day period ending August the 16th, we were averaging 140,224 deaths per day on average. What about deaths? For the 7-day period ending August 17th, we were averaging 876 deaths per day. You can see this new trend upward in cases. what, 6 or 7 weeks in a row we had had increase in cases. We're seeing an increase in deaths, but still we're well below these numbers back over here. Okay, we do have a 4-week increase in deaths, but hopefully this will mark the beginning of a new downward turn in the number of COVID-19 deaths. You can see again that August cases are going to be the fourth most cases since all the way back to June of 2020. Although it is still below these three numbers right here. Okay. Deaths, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 month in a row decline in deaths. 7th month in a row when the deaths will be finished below these numbers right there. What this is a number. This is the approximate number of cases for every 100,000 people. So right now we're about, say, 40 for every 100,000 people. 40 people have COVID-19. What about deaths? Well, this is a half a death. This is a fourth of a death. So right now, let's just say right now, for every 100,000 people, one half of a person is dying from COVID-19. You can see cumulative cases here, a slight the flattening here, but it really didn't get that flat. Then it almost immediately began turning back up. Slight flattening here for deaths, okay, but not really that great of a flattening thing. So anyway, America, this does conclude your report for August 25th. Again, a big shout out to the 16 people who viewed this video yesterday. Thanks so much. Of course, remember 16 views equals 16 likes. So please, if you watch the video, please click the like button. And finally, don't forget to click on that share button. Share the video with your friends and your family today. Share it on Facebook and Twitter, or in an email and a text message. Again, thanks so much, America. We'll catch you tomorrow with an updated report.